Hello, my dear students. Listen to me carefully. English for today for class 6. Lesson 2. Congratulations. Well done. Lily goes to a school in Dhaka, and her parents live in a small town in Tangal district. He is talking to her father over the telephone. Lily, hello, Baba. Baba. Lily, how are you? Lily, fine, Baba. I just got my exam result. I have got an A in my English test. Baba, well done, son. I am so proud of you. Lily, thanks, Baba. By the way, I have to go now. I will call you again. Baba, bye, son. Take care. Lily, you too, Baba. Bye. Bye.